Okay, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So this is part 2 of a Christmas gift, and why don't I name this one a Christmas option? How about that, huh? Okay, so let's continue on. I have my notes. So maybe you can like do a babysitting gift. So you send an invitation or a Christmas card and let people know that, hey, I'm celebrating Christmas different this year. So I'm willing to offer my gift as a babysitter for a day, a night, a weekend, or a week. Okay? And then that way it frees up your family members, and they can look forward to maybe going out on a night out in the town, and you will have the children, and then they can really just enjoy themselves. And while you have the children, have fun with them. Don't just bring them in and do nothing. Talk to them, play games with them. Maybe you can put on a TV show or a movie or something, so that they feel like that night they spent with you is special. Okay, all right. Maybe you can pledge to, as a gift, you can buy a case of water, 1 case of water per month for 12 months. Like 12 gifts in a year. Okay, so that could be a gift that keeps on going. Or maybe you can start a change jar where you can put in your change every time you have change until it adds up, and whatever that adds up to, in, I don't know, maybe it could be 2 months, it could be 3 months, it could be 6 months. You can give that to the family, and then the family can decide what they want to do as a big Christmas celebration with that money, or if they want to pay a bill with it or whatever. That's something else that you can do. And then that's something that you don't have to take care of in December. You can have that ongoing after December. So your biggest cost is during the month of December. So it's about 20 days or less to Christmas right now. I believe today is December 4th, 2019. So you see, you don't have long before December 25th. So if you can push off gifts for others after Christmas with these promises, I think that would help your bottom line on terms of your spending and that sort of thing, because you can now push that spending out a little further, and it gives people hope, something to look forward to, right? Okay. Okay. Maybe you can give them a gift certificate for oil change, right? Or something like that. Or maybe you can pledge that the next big snowstorm come, or the next 2 big snowstorms come, you're going to go over there and help shovel out the snow. Or if you live in the south, maybe cut the grass. I don't know. Figure out just creative things like that. And what I'd like you guys to do is, I'd like for you to comment on my channel suggesting other ways, things that maybe I haven't thought of, that people can do to celebrate Christmas other than putting out money that they may not have. Now, if you have plenty of money or you can afford to buy gifts, that's beautiful. I think that's wonderful if you can afford it, to share. I love that. Just absolutely love it. But everybody is not in that position, okay? Okay, so now let's go on. You can have a sleepover with all the kids that you would normally give a gift to. I know it'll be crazy in your house for that one night, but just imagine this. You get to love on them and they all get to be together with each other and you're the big host. Oh, they will never forget that. Let me tell you. And then you can just, maybe cook some cookies with them or cook the whole meal with them. Oh, just teach them something. Now that would be a great, great gift, right? They would love that. A sleepover. Okay. Or maybe you can buy one gift for the whole family to share. Maybe they need a new TV and you can afford it. That would be something that would be great for the whole family. Or maybe a movie if that's all you can afford, okay? Or something that the whole family can enjoy, okay? And in that way, they're all now learning how to share and show love around the gift that you gave to them. You brought unity to the family, okay? Okay, and now I want to talk about give yourself a gift. Now this is the most important gift. Right away, just give yourself a gift, okay? And that gift is, please, do not use your charge cards for Christmas. Now that's a big, big no-no because, your gift may cost, I don't know, $50, but you're going to pay high interest on that. It could be anywhere from, I don't know, 10% up to 23, 28%. Okay, so if you add the percentage to the $50, you've paid a lot more for that gift. Now that's just crazy. You could have saved on that interest and not used the charge card because it's going to take you probably until next December to clear the charge card up from all the gifts. So that just doesn't make sense. Let's not use the charge card. See if you can sit down, figure out your budget, okay, for the month of December. Make sure you don't spend your bill money and buy within your budget that you get every week or once a month, okay? And if you can do that, you're going to find that you're going to feel much better in January so that when you're not looking at the charge bill, okay? And if you can't do none of that, use some of these other options that I talked about because you don't need to run up a charge card for Christmas because there's going to be some other tragedy coming along that you're gonna really need to use that charge card when you could have done some other options for gifts for Christmas as I've talked about, okay? And let's see. I think the most important thing that I want to talk to you about is, the holidays are depressed times for some people. Some people don't have family around them to make them smile on these holidays. Think about, the people who are lonely or need someone. You can go spend time with them. You can spend time at the nursing home. You can spend time, volunteering somewhere at a shelter or something. These people really could use your help at this time. And if you can, tell them some stories that will make them smile. You could even talk about maybe when you used to have Christmas as a child, right? Consider that. Okay, because I think that that's really, really needed. And that's really what the joy of Christmas is about, right? Making people smile and bringing joy to their life. Okay? Okay, so on that note, I think I have done my deed for Christmas, and Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas to you and your family. And please comment and let me know on other ways that I have not talked about in regards to Christmas, and ideas that you can share with others. Let's share this with everyone all over the world. And if you don't have the guts to tell them that maybe you won't be celebrating Christmas the traditional way now, you can just share this video and tell them your message is in this video, okay? Because I've done it for you. How about that, huh? Okay, so in my new time that I will be coming on YouTube every day is changing from 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. I will still see you every day. I just will be coming on at 4 p.m. And so you look for that. I'll still be on YouTube round the clock, but I just wanted you to know that, because any changes I must definitely let you know about it, okay? Okay, and I want to thank everybody for all the love and the support and care that you have shown me. I really, really appreciate it. I enjoyed making a lot of the dishes that was requested of me for Thanksgiving. You guys gave me my homework assignment, and I'm telling you, I was working hard fulfilling my homework assignment and enjoyed every minute of it. Okay, there was a few that I didn't get to, but it was only a few. So I'm still going to try to work on those few, okay, so that I can complete my homework assignment. But I did a whole lot, and I want to thank you for that challenge. I appreciate you, and I thank you for everything. Okay, so hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Share, please share the video with everyone. I want this video to go everywhere, north, south, east, west, every country, every state, because this is a message about Christmas, and this is to take the pressure off of everyone so that we can enjoy Christmas more, okay? Because it's not just about gifts, it's about the gift of love and maybe the physical gifts if you can, and sharing and caring and all that good stuff, okay? Okay, until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.